Welcome to
Fun day.
I'm glad to see you.
Me too.
Hi guys, this is day 24. And these so they're almost gonna be just like ice cream again. Look at this one sleeping. And they're growing up more faster. You recognize that? At day 1 or day 2, they were like can't see, can't hear.
And not like you can't even play or walk, right?
Yeah.
Now they're like playing and walking.
They can even walk, yes. That one is looking at you. Look at its little eyes. It will grow up, these little cuties. And it will be the size of its mother one day, right?
Yeah.
Once it grows up. Oh, and don't forget to check out our reading channel and our Art Day channel. We made it new, right?
Yeah.
Aww, they're playing together. And guys, if you guys have a cat just like Jewel, and if you guys like to carry them or snuggle up to them, sometimes cats do not like being carried, do they? Yeah. So, I'm just saying. Aww. And they love it once you give them, once you pet them, right?
Yep.
Even treats. They love treats. Especially once you buy it from Dollar Tree, right?
Yeah.
And they're gonna love it too once they grow up. I think we're gonna buy them treats, right?
Yeah, like maybe.
They deserve some. That one is snuggling on the couch and biting it. Oh, look. They actually opened their eyes. Do you know that once one of the first ones opened their eyes, it was black, right?
Yeah.
But now, like, it's kind of like the ones that look like Jewel have black eyes, and the white ones have blue eyes, right? Don't you notice?
Yeah, but they're turning green. The black ones' eyes are turning green.
I think, Jewel married the white cat.
Yeah, but the white ones are blue. The white ones' eyes are blue.
Yeah, I know, right? I think her husband, it's blue eyes, but I think her eyes, let me see her eyes.
Oh,
it's green. That's why it's like that, right? They have different traits, right?
So
inherited traits from their father and their mother.
That means their father's eyes are blue, right?
Yeah, and their mother is green. That's what I just actually figured out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is
Look
biting
at this baby
me.
kitten.
It's scratching me. Oh, look at that one's pose. Bye, guys. Don't forget the notification button and subscribe for more videos.